Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the webcam on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. In Bluetooth and Devices, select Cameras. Select Integrated Camera or the camera you want to adjust. Here you can click Disable to completely deactivate the webcam. It won't work in apps again until you enable it here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.